heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Oh, you be in my heart, no matter what they say. You'll be here